was gonna leave, but I think I got another lap in me. I'm gonna do lap number 3, riding the Kenevo. That's the bike I took back. I'm riding the Turbo Levo. This is the Comp Carbon model. It's got Fox front and back. It's a carbon frame. The only thing I've changed out is the dropper post. I did put in a 1-up 180. This is a size medium, and man, I love this sucker. It cut my time to the trail. And what I'm trying to do today is actually get a different view of my GoPro to see how it looks. So when I hit up the actual trail, not our local one, I can have a good camera view, a good camera angle. So I'm gonna test it out here on my local trail, which is called the Moose Packer. And it is nothing major. It's actually a good, decent trail. You will like it. Yes, sir. It's got a few small jumps. Oh, case that one because I didn't have enough speed. Watch out for that tree. Oh man, the good thing about this bike is it is plush. All right. Train. Yes, sir. It is super plush. A lot more plush, believe it or not, than my Kenevo SL, which was 170 front, 170 back. But I think it was mostly because that suspension is set up for bigger drops, and this one's set up for trail. So it feels like it's a little more plush on these small little jumps. I'm gonna skip the little narrow bridge. We're gonna go around. I haven't even been on that narrow bridge in tree roots in a while. And I guess I'll do the teeter-totter. I've been skipping it all day, mostly because this e-bike is too heavy. When I drop down on the other side, it kind of forces me down, throws me aggressively, and I don't like to be thrown aggressively, which man does. Watch out for those trees. All right, here we go. And so the Turbo Levo, it is heavier than that Kenevo SL, but man, I don't feel the difference when I'm riding through these trails. Moving the bike around, because it's got that mullet set up, makes it a lot easier than actually that Kenevo, which is lighter, but it was running 29 front and back, and it's hard to move around. Whereas this one, man, it just cuts through these little turns. Like this turn right here, watch out! The fall right there. All right. Oh, yes, sir. I'm gonna skip the big drop, which has 2 little cool jumps. But somebody built some kind of apparatus there, and then a tree fell, and it's right in the middle. So we're gonna skip that one. We're gonna go left, which makes the trail a little longer, which is good, but you skip some of those good jumps. And then at the end of both of these, they meet up at a climb. It's not a big climb, but the angle this one comes in, it's harder to get up versus the other one, which you're coming directly at it, you can climb. And this one, you got to turn into that climb, which I'm going to show you right now. So see, you would normally come right here from, and you would do this climb. Oh, yes, sir, we got it. All right. Much harder because you got that sharp turn. Instead of coming from the, watch out for these tree roots. Oh, sketchiness. All right. There we go. Back on it, back sitting down. Nice little jump there. And you can't see much on the trail because all these leaves. I may have to come back with the blower, clear this sucker out. There's not many of us that ride back here. In fact, there's really only like 2 or 3 of us that ride back here. The other guys, they kind of ride on different schedule than me. He rides at nighttime, like around 7 p.m. And I usually ride during the daytime, like around 10, 11, 12. It's noon right now. I think it's noon. Day after Thanksgiving. Got to climb right now. And this sucker makes it a breeze on this climb. Yes, sir. That motor helps you out. All right. Right at the end of this little loop right here, you got a major drop right there. Right there, we're gonna skip it. And then you got a small little ramp. Boy, nice little drop. But I like this jump line a little better. Oh, makes the trail a little longer. Uh-oh, there goes my dropping post is out again. What do you do without dropping? Oh, yes, sir. No dropping post needed. There it goes. Come back up. Gonna change my gear, sit down, relax. All right, this is the side, which I don't know if you can see it on this view. I should have ran it with a little lower view on the camera. But this is the side that has all the tree roots. Nice and rooty. Rooty patooty, fruit rooty. Oh. Right here is where they start. And if your seat's not extended, your legs are gonna work out. A lot of bumps, my friend. All right, there we go. Almost lost my pedal. Cut through there, Tree Root City. Yeah, definitely need to clean out this trail. I'm thinking about swapping these grips out. Right now I'm running some Ergons, but I have some Super Kush that I'm running on my Santa Cruz. And man, I love them. From Deity, I'm sold. And I do run Deity pedals already. I'm running the Death Traps, and I love them. I do run the 1-Up as well. I like them because my foot, we're an 11. Some pedals feel kind of small, which is not bueno. All right, my foot's always falling off. Like I have some monos that my foot can't stay on because just a small little space fits on. Oh yeah. Oh, this is where this bike excels. All these tree roots. Tree Root City. Yeah, feels more plush on this one than it did on the Kenevo. Watch out. Ooh, pedal strike on that turn. Yo. All right, we're at the end. And now it's time to take this video home and see what it looked like. But that is it, my friends.